So this last section, we're going to have a look at the kind of data that's good to use with decision trees. So if your data is non-linear, so this means data that doesn't have an order and where each element in that list that it's in is not dependent on the previous and the next one. So it's not in a structured order, it's not, for example, a time order, a measurement order or anything. It's just a data set. And actually decision trees handle complicated interactions between the different bits of data you've got in there very well. So you can maybe have a data set with 10 columns and it will handle that very well. It works well both with categorical and continuous variable data. So categorical data is you can divide your data into two categories, true or false, yes or no, cat or dog, and it can't be anything else. Continuous is where you have continuous target range. So you could go from 1 to 100. And in that case, instead of splitting up on cat or dog, it would split up to over 50, under 50, for example. The kind of types of data that work well, historic data for business growth opportunities is a nice place to use this. It's used a lot actually in the financial industry looking at customer behaviour. And you can have a look at demographic data as well to maybe choose some new prospective clients for you. So there's quite a range of data that you can use there, non-linear data, and it's either categorical or continuous, all is fine. And you find decision trees used a lot in engineering, law, basically, yeah, law follows a big decision tree, engineering does the same, and application forms as well. So these can be used to sift through. If you have a lot of application forms to a job, you can use a decision tree to decide whether they've filled in the correct bits in the correct way. Right, okay, when you're ready, on to the next video, and I'll see you there.